Now, last week we brought you the story about the Ice Bucket Challenge and how part of your money, if you are making donations to the ALSA, might indeed be going to embryonic stem cell research, which has been proven again and again to have zero research capacity. Not yet has one advance been made via the embryonic stem cell research. The adult stem cell research is where the gold is for the future of these sorts of diseases. And so I was contacted on Twitter, believe it or not, by somebody who told me, but you should look at our organization because we don't do embryonic stem cell research. So with me today, Dr. Steve Perrin. He's CEO of ALS Therapy Department Institute, ALS.net. And you can find him on Twitter at ALSTDI, and he says, they don't do that. And so if you want to make a donation, it can go here. Dr. Perrin, welcome to Smart Life. We're glad to have you.
Thank you. Thank you very much for inviting me.
I appreciated you all reaching out to me because I certainly think it is such a worthy cause. None of us want to see these types of degenerative neurological diseases, including Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, and some of the others, take place. Tell us what sets your organization apart.
Yeah, we're the only ALS organization completely dedicated for drug development and pushing medicines into patients as quickly as possible. And adult stem cell programs are an integral part of that.
And so with your research comes only, I'm guessing, drug therapy. Does it also include some of the research that we've read about that is so promising for this disease?
Yeah, our institute, which was founded back in 1999, covers all aspects of drug development from early aha moments of discovery all the way to optimizing and developing medicines and cell-based systems. And then we actually do fund and move drugs right into clinical trials, and we have 2 drugs in phase 2 clinical trials today.
And what are these results looking like for people? I mean, are people surviving longer? What's happening?
People are surviving longer than they did a few years ago. A lot of that is just due to improvements in the healthcare system. Patients get earlier interventions with lots of different things to slow down the disease. But more importantly, we've made a lot of progress in understanding the basic mechanisms of what causes ALS, which is a horrible neurological disease. And because of that, we're testing more novel drugs in animal models as well as cell-based systems that we will hopefully move into patients quickly.
I read an astounding statistic over the weekend that I think it was more than 25% of the population by 2025, the adult population, more than 25% of them will be affected with one of these adult onset neurological diseases like we're talking about. So your research is becoming more and more important. Do you have further statistics for us?
They are becoming more and more important. The disease you're referring to is Alzheimer's disease. It's becoming very prominent as the population gets older and older. It is an incredible medical crisis, and developments in tools like induced pluripotent stem cell lines, which don't come from embryos but come directly from the patient population, are becoming important tools to A, study the disease, but B, to help test effective treatments so you can then move into those diseases more quickly.
And so that is all very promising, and people can be assured that if they donate to your organization, their money is not going to go to embryonic stem cell research, which, number one, is just throwing your money down the rat hole because it's not working. And number two, of course, for those of us who are pro-life, that's an important part of knowing where our money goes. Tell people where they can donate to your organization.
So you can go right to ALS.net and make a donation, and your donation will go to helping collect skin biopsies, little teeny pieces of skin that we can develop stem cells from. And those are actually better tools to study your disease because those cells are actually coming from you.
Very cool. Can people do the Ice Bucket Challenge for your organization as well? I'm sure you wouldn't mind that.
We did do the Ice Bucket Challenge, and we challenge everybody to go out and do it. It's for a great cause. ALS is a terrible disease that we want to find a cure for. And the Ice Bucket Challenge has taken that by storm, and it's helped all the ALS organizations.
.net. Dr. Steve Perrin, thank you so much for being with us.